Penny, what are you doing? You feeding the baby?
You playing the game? Look at Lily. What you doing?
Selfie book. What you doing, Penny?
I'm doing this.
Let me see. You feeding the baby?
Feeding.
Does he like it?
What's his name?
His name is Baby.
His name's Baby. His name's Ollie.
Name's Oreo.
Really good job. What you doing with your belly button there?
Tasting it.
He's drinking the milk and you're playing with your belly button.
Almost finished. Come on, get that little bit. Almost done. Okay, no more.
Oh, to the last drop. Yeah, now it's air, right?
Why?
Okay. Ollie. Ollie is what you call him?
You're full.
You say Ollie. It's Ollie.
Ollie,
Ollie.
Wally, Orlando, whatever.
That's good
He's
stuff.
milk drunk.
Yes, he is.
Did he get enough?
He's drunk right away.
He drank the whole thing. Yeah.
Ready to go to sleep?
Look at me. Big sister. Okay. Bye-bye.